What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another POV. As y'all can see, and it's nighttime, man. We're doing a nighttime POV drive today, man. You know what I'm saying? Some slight vlogmas. As always, we're recording every day, sometimes twice a day, just depending on what's going on. But make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. It's a little nippy outside, bro. 55 degrees. 55 degrees. You know what I'm saying? But y'all see we got the ambient lighting going on for the nighttime POV drive. I didn't have it on, but I only turned it on because, you know, for the video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy give y'all a better visual. You know what I'm saying? Boy, get a better visual, man. But that car is nose diving. What is so, what? No, boy, I could never. I don't know if y'all can see it, but they bumped their car was like straight down in the ground, like the hill. Like that driveway is so high. It's crazy. Well, I never come to your house, but you got a hill like that. I don't care if I'm driving a Honda. You crazy, boy. I'm not doing that. But my car is really not that loud for real. That's crazy. That motor really not that loud, bro. But yeah, man. Make sure you subscribe, man. Get your boy to 15K, man. Little nighttime cut up, man. I can't have the window down too local, but it wind is nippy out here, boy. I got the window cracked like this. And it's still like the wind just cutting through here. I got all four on like that. Lights on crazy. You probably thought I was 12. Seen these charger light up. Oh. Yeah, but tighten up, boy. It pitch black. You got the lights on. Huh? It's different when the sun going down. But when it pitch black outside, come on now. Do yourself a favor, man. Yeah, man, it's a little street time, nighttime POV, man. Crossing the street, probably like, damn. It's a Charger drive with a gas cap open. That's insane. It's like it was a V6. That's insane, bro. I gotta tighten up, man. Yeah, man, I see what's going on, man. Let's see if I can. Nighttime, bro. Just the camera don't be looking as crispy, bro, as it could. You know what I'm saying? It don't be looking as crispy as it could, bro. Yeah, man. Something slight, man. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. I'll comment down below what videos y'all would like to see. You know what I'm saying? Oh, boy, they go old school. Y'all hear that old school? I get on his ass. I get on his ass, boy. Ooh, he lucky he turned. I want to get on his ass too. Ooh, I want to get on his ass, boy. That boy, that lucky. My old school nigga think they be doing something, man. Ain't nothing wrong with them. You know, they just be, they see us and be like, yeah, let me show out on that young boy out here, man. Like, no, boy, this ain't one of them. This ain't that, you know what I'm saying? Stick 'em. Quick little sticker, man. You don't want to go too crazy. Just let y'all hit that thing, man. Drag these gears out. I forgot I can roll the back one down and kind of keep that wind from, you still can hear, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. It only been 5 minutes. That's crazy. Y'all enjoy the POV drive, man. Nighttime. It's like nighttime POV drive. Like it meant for you to talk a little bit, but it's like I don't know. It's just for you to just listen to the car, man. Yeah, man, I heard them little pops. Man. I heard a few little pops. What it like? Seem like it taking forever. Come on now. Hey. You just showing the road, man. Manual be holding on gears when they be shifting. It be like, you know what I'm saying? They hit that mud like clutch. But they keep shifting. You gotta kinda like, it's a way to do it. If I had a Challenger, bro, the facts I have for thinking I got a manual. Only way folks won't think this in here. Cause some people still thought I had a manual with this car, the way I drive it sometimes. Like old heads. Damn, it's a manual? Like nah. Like, it sounds like it. But if I had a Challenger, you don't know if a Challenger is a manual or not. But Charger, we all know these ain't manual. You know what I'm saying? They all come automatic. But facts I have for thinking I got a stick, but if I had a Challenger. Crazy. Yeah, I had on flames. Joints, bro. You can light a cigarette up with them joints. is insane. Look. But ain't no way. Look at that. Oh, that's crazy. I mean, I think it did it before, but it's just like, that bitch was really on time. Like, I'm like, what the hell this is? That thing, you know, that bitch really, that's crazy, bro. I know that probably all most dodgy thing, but it's Olivia right here. Olivia, you smart, man. Olivia smart as hell. Hey, I need you to let me know most stuff, you know what I mean? Y'all just hit that, like, come on, man. My bad, y'all. I really trying to say, man, that bitch pop. I hit a little bit. I've been quiet a lot, but I realize be dang near forgetting I'm recording. Cause I be looking over the camera. Sometimes I look through it. Sometimes, but Lord, you know, most of the time looking over the camera so I can drive. Especially at nighttime. Like daytime a little different, you know what I mean? But nighttime, bro, you ain't no reason to be looking through the camera. You ain't gonna see nothing that you're supposed to be seeing. You can, but not really. It's for y'all to see that part. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you know what I'm saying? A little nighttime POV drive, man. Nothing too crazy, man. Vlogmas, dropping videos every day, you feel me? Till Christmas, you know what I'm saying? At least for Christmas Eve, one of the two. We're gonna try to go for Christmas. Yeah, man. Peak gang, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got the stars on today. Chilling, man. I really don't be having. I usually have the lights on at first, you know what I'm saying? Put them on, but then after a while, they're like, you know what I'm saying? I have to turn them on every now and then when I need them. They come in handy when you want to have some light to see in here, but without having these on, and you like in public somewhere, you don't want folk, you know what I'm saying, really can look in, because these lights bright, ain't gonna carry it right here, so like you can see. Windows be on. When you turn these on, they kind of like, you can see in here, but you can't tell too much from the outside. Or you probably got like on a white shirt, you really can't see what's going on. You just see some kind of gloom, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, they're really showing y'all what Olivia, you know what I'm saying, sound like, and just nighttime POV vibes, you know what I'm saying, with the purple. You gotta go purple sometime at nighttime, bro. It don't look crazy. It look a little pink, but it's purple. I seen what pink look like. Pink a little bit lighter, but with the pink and purple kind of, this is what it look like. It come out like this, because some parts are like a little bit brighter than others, but you can tell it is purple though. It's indeed purple. But yeah, man. That's probably gonna be a wrap, man. Ain't gonna lie. I ain't expect the video to be that long, but it's probably gonna be a wrap, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that like button. Damn. Y'all stop playing with Leah, man. Y'all know y'all heard that. Make sure y'all know what I'm saying. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bells so you won't miss, you know what I'm saying, another banker from your boy. But yeah, man, other than that, man, that's pretty much it. I don't got too much else to say, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just chase your dreams, chase your goals, man. Stay hungry. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up, bro. Keep pushing. All my religious folks, you know what I'm saying? Keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Build that faith and trust in him, bro. Build that faith and trust in him. Cari crew. Ooh. But yeah, man. But like I also say in the end of my videos, I'm out of here. Like yesterday,